Hey everyone, it's Alex here from the Tanda integrations team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Tanda custom export format builder to create a CSV export that plugs into a payroll system and that exports timesheet data from Tanda. So Tanda already has integration with lots of different payroll vendors, but there's many ones out there that we don't work with yet. Using this exporter, you can create a file that matches exactly the format that your payroll software needs without any extra development work being done. So in this example, this is the format that I'm actually going to be building. As you can see, it has 4 columns. There's the employee ID, the date, the pay codes like regular hours, overtime hours, or vacation, and number of hours worked. So to create an export format, you want to start on the payroll integrations page, just here, and click New Payroll Integration. On this page, you can see some systems that we already work with, but in this case, you're just going to want to choose to create your own exporter. Now this here is the export format builder that I was talking about. As you can see, these are the columns that it would actually export into, and they actually show up in the order that they'll appear in your CSV file. So in my example, the first field I need is the employee ID. Now, in my example, it's called employee ID, so I'm going to rename it for employee number to match that, and that'll actually export as a header in my CSV. I don't need the name. I do need the date, and I need it to be in date, month, year format. I do need the pay code, which again is regular hours or overtime or stuff like that. There's no extra settings for that one, but I would like it to be called pay code, not pay codes. Oh, I missed this. This one should be called date. And finally, I need the number of hours. Rounded to 2 decimal places should be fine. I don't need the team, don't need the location. So that's my configuration. Looks pretty similar to my export format. I can save that. And then here's a timesheet I prepared earlier. So it's got start times, finish times, approved shifts for a few days of the week. I'm just going to reload it so it's all fresh. And once you've created an export format, it will show up in the as a timesheet export option, both for individual timesheets and for weekly timesheets. So if I do my custom integration, I'll just wait a moment for Excel to open up, and it'll download a CSV which has all the column headers I created in the order I described and with the correct values. And it is that simple. You can now take this format, upload it into your payroll software, and basically remove all the data entry you would normally do when doing a pay run.